We had such a challenge earlier on with network, so the demonstration on how to use Geolocate did not quite work out. So this is the demonstration. Right. This is the demonstration for using Geolocate. So this is the page with the option of uploading a CVS file or just one entry. So we'll show you what one entry looks like. Still opening. Right, so this is what the application looks like. And on the inside, we have the section where there's locality string at the bottom. So you'll be having text and you want degree, decimal degree coordinates. So for example, then you change the country. It's always set on the United States of America, so you change the country to Zimbabwe and search georeference. So this particular entry had no corresponding coordinate. So we go wider. I already know it's in Mwenezi. And then we georeference. And it gives you a point on Mwenezi. So if you are sure where the shore is in Mwenezi, you can zoom down and try to place the point where you picked your specimen. So that's how you do it. And then where do you get the decimal degree coordinates? You find them at the bottom, right? You find them right at the bottom where it's highlighted. Okay, so if you highlight there, you can copy and paste. You find the same thing is also checked. Copy and paste into your Excel. So that's how you use Geolocate to find decimal degree coordinates where you have text locality.